If your camera is not working in Firefox, or a website is asking for camera access, and nothing happens, this video will show you exactly how to enable camera permissions in Mozilla Firefox step by step. By the end, you'll know how to allow trusted websites, review existing permissions, and make sure new sites can request camera access properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, look to the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the Firefox settings options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main Firefox settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and site permissions. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the permissions section. This section contains the controls for things like location, camera, microphone, notifications, and more. Now, next to Camera, click Settings. This opens the Camera Permissions window, where Firefox shows you which websites have already asked for camera access and what their current permissions are. This is the most important part if you want to fix camera access for a specific site. In the Camera Permissions window, review the list of websites carefully. If you see a website you trust and want to use your camera, make sure its permission is set to Allow. This is useful for video calling platforms, online meeting tools, learning portals, or any browser-based app that needs camera access. If a site is blocked, it won't be able to use your camera unless you change that permission. Next, look for the option that says Block New Requests asking to access your camera. If this box is checked, uncheck it. When this option is enabled, Firefox prevents websites from even asking for camera access, which can be the reason you never see the permission prompt in the first place. Turning it off allows new websites to request access when needed. After you've reviewed the website list and adjusted the request setting, click Save Changes to apply everything. This step is important because your updates won't take effect until you save them. Once saved, Firefox will use your new camera permission settings right away. At this point, your camera settings in Firefox should be updated and ready to use. If a website still cannot access your camera, you may also want to check whether your operating system has camera access enabled for Firefox, or whether another app is already using the camera. But for Firefox itself, these steps are the key ones to allow camera permissions properly. So to quickly recap, open Firefox, go to Settings, find the Permissions section, open Camera Settings, allow trusted websites, uncheck the Block New Requests option if needed, and save your changes. That's it. If this video helped you fix Firefox camera access, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.